Hey guys, this is Marshall from Pacific Reviews, and today I'm going to talk about the Lion kind of tentpole features of, well, Lion and different features that it has. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is multi-touch. And with multi-touch, the first thing I'm going to show you guys is how to switch between windows. So you just take your four fingers and you can go like this. I'm actually right here uploading the Lion install right now, but you can switch between your desktops. And this is I show you, but yeah, that should hide itself, but it didn't. So that's one thing with multi-touch. The next thing is mission control. You take 4 and you go up, and you have mission control. And what mission control is, because I'm going to talk about this within the video, mission control is basically a very advanced version of expose. Now what you can do is you can put as many desktop pictures up here as you want, or at least I think so. I don't know. I didn't try actually. But what you do is you can switch between which desktops you want to see, and it's, like I said, a very advanced version of expose. So with that being said, it's really nice. It really helps organize windows. Now when you have full screen applications going, like let's see, I'll show you, just do one thing. Okay, I'll just take like a screen capture. I'll open up preview. And preview, there it goes. So what happens is when you open up full screen applications, because that's what Lion was trying to do, is they're trying to get as full screen applications on their native apps that they could. So you do this, and now it's a full screen application. So what you do is you go up like this, is it'll show you, look, there's preview in a full screen. It also works with iMovie, iPhoto, iCalendar, all that great stuff. And it's really helpful. Just gonna quick preview there. The next thing is I'm going to show you Launchpad, which is where you take your 3 fingers and your thumb and you together. And here's all your applications. It's very similar to like an iPad or an iPhone, more like an iPad because of the size. But you have all your applications, and I organized them already. And you can have multiple pages. I just chose not to. And of course, you have all your applications down at the dock. And then you just click to get off of it. The next thing I'm going to show you is nothing really that spectacular, but it is expose. You pull down back, and it shows you all your windows on the desktop, just like it was before. And finally, I'm going to show you guys how to go to your desktop specifically, because it used to be 4 fingers up, but you can't now, so it's the exact opposite of Launchpad, and it'll bring you to your desktop. So if I go over to here and do the motion, it'll bring me there. So that's pretty much it for multi-touch and Launchpad. Mission control, like I said, just going over this again, mission control is a very advanced expose. You have all your applications down here. You can choose between desktops. You can add another one by clicking these over here. And you can, if you have your dashboard right here, but I just don't like the idea of that. But again, that's mission control, and Launchpad is just basically all your applications. That's it. Nothing really special there. But what I really like is resume and autosave. Resume basically means you can resume an application from when you last saved it, or you can also resume an application from when it last closed. So it's really nice if, let's say, you had Safari up on apple.com, and I have to go into the preferences and do all that, but let's say you have that open and you close it and you go back, it'll go back to the same page. Also with autosave, you're typing a long document, I think it's every 5 minutes or so, it'll automatically save it. And what it does is it saves all the changes, not the actual document. So you will be able to choose as many, or revert back to as many documents in the past as you wanted to. And the last thing is AirDrop, which was very big in my eyes because it lets you share files on a local area network, or LAN, through the Bluetooth Wi-Fi system on your Mac. Well, that's pretty much it for the Apple tentpole, or the Apple tentpole features of Mac OS X line. Thank you.